Hello friends, today we will discuss disability in children and their SEN, that is special educational needs. It is important for BA, CTET, STET and education related all the topics of various competitions. So disability in children means a physical, mental, intellectual or sensory impairment that may hinder a child's ability to perform daily activities and participate fully in school or society. According to Rights of Person with Disability Act, that is called RPWD 2016, disabilities can include types of disabilities we are going to discuss. First is visual impairment, blindness, low vision, hearing impairment, deafness or hard of hearing, locomotor disability, difficulty in movement, intellectual disability, slow learning, Down syndrome, autism spectrum disorder, AS, learning disabilities, dyslexia, dyscalculia, dysgraphia, speech and language disability. So these are the types of disability. Mental illness is also one of them. Now, meaning of SEN, SEN, special educational needs. SEN refers to additional learning support required by children who have a disability or difficulty that makes learning harder compared to other children of the same age. A child with SEN may need modified teaching methods, specialized learning materials, extra time in exams, assistive technologies like braille, hearing aids, etc. Individualized education plan, that is IE. The examples of disability and SEN are as follows. First is physical disability. Example, suppose a child with cerebral palsy finds it difficult to write quickly in class. SEN support. What will be the SEN support? Special education need support. He uses a computer or speech to text software and the teacher provides extra time for written work. Second is visual impairment. Suppose a student has low vision and cannot read from the blackboard clearly. SEN support will be she gets large print books and front row seating and teachers read instructions aloud. Third is hearing impairment. Suppose a student has partial hearing loss. SEN support will be he uses hearing aids, sits near teacher and learns through visual aids and sign language. Fourth is learning disability. A student has dyslexia, so she struggles with reading and spelling. SEN support will be the teacher uses phonetic learning, colored overlays and audio books to help her to learn effectively. Then comes autism spectrum disorder, that is ASD. Suppose a boy finds it difficult to communicate and interact socially. SEN support will be he receives behavioral therapy, structured routines, and special educator support. Role of teachers in supporting SEN children is very important. First, teacher has to identify learning difficulties early, then create an inclusive classroom environment, use individualized learning plan, that is IEP, collaborate with special educators, parents and counselors, encourage peer support and empathy among classmates. So we can say that every child is unique and capable of learning. The goal of inclusive education is to provide equal opportunities to children with disabilities through proper SEN support, ensuring that no child is left behind. Thank you.